This is an Alberta emergency alert. Woodlands County has issued an evacuation order due to a wildfire east of Range Road 114 and south of Highway 43, including the West Ridge subdivision. A wildfire is burning out of control. All residents in the affected area must evacuate immediately. Gather pets, important documentation, and medication. Register at the Evacuation Reception Center at the Allen and John Miller Center in Whitecourt. Further updates will be provided as additional information becomes available.